Hello people, welcome back to our Facebook channel. Today we are gonna learn how to draw a simple creatures. Starting with, we are gonna start how to draw jellyfish. You can see here we are concentrating on jellyfish. Its eyes is very sparkling. It has long branches like structure. It basically looks like a hat at the top, and we are gonna cover it with a round and a smiley face. To continue with that, we are gonna draw a dolphin. To start with that, we are gonna first start drawing the waves, and the dolphin is giggling at us, a sparkling eyes and water coming around, and it is colored with blue. The next drawing we are gonna here concentrate on a cute cartoon character which has a curly bushy hairs. The hairs are very huge and bushy, and then we are gonna concentrate on drawing the horns, the neck, the small legs and other body parts of the creator, and hands, and we are gonna cover it with some clothes, the eyebrows and small eyes, a big nose and a smiling face. The next drawing we are gonna start with is drawing a rose. We gonna first draw the petals of the rose and cover it with properly. The next one we are gonna draw is its stick, which has thorns as well. Lastly, we are gonna draw the leaves, which are very huge and very beautiful. The next drawing we are gonna draw is that a cute unicorn which is very beautiful. We are gonna start drawing the hairs. It has very long and bushy hairs, a cute body parts and a long leg and a tail which is very beautiful and magical. It has huge eyes and a smiling face. The eyes is very sparkling as well. The next drawing we are gonna do in this session is a pumpkin. Here we can see the pumpkin is basically like a Halloween themed. It has a huge big pumpkin which also has a leaf in it. It is very big and very cute pumpkin. The next drawing we are gonna draw in this session is a bird. We are gonna start drawing the bird with a part head. The head is round in shape. The eyes are round as well. The next we are gonna continue drawing with its wings and small legs, a small mouth. The next drawing we are gonna draw in this session is the famous character from SpongeBob SquarePants, that is Patrick. The Patrick looks very happy here with a raising hand and a smiling face and round eyes and other shots as well. He's colored with reddish pink. The next drawing we are gonna continue drawing is a cute cartoon creator which has a huge hairs, a bushy ears and a small face, small legs and small hands as well. This cartoon character looks very small face. Thank you for watching the video.